Encourage teamwork with the Smart Study whiteboard desk. These two-student standing desks feature a whiteboard top, making it easy for students to take notes as a team and show their work. Transform their desk in seconds. Desktop easily adjusts in height and tilts at an angle. Remain flat to use as a desk or adjust to a 45-degree or 90-degree angle. For class presentations, move the desktop to a 90-degree angle to use as a traditional whiteboard. Its durable powder-coated frame is designed for long-lasting use and features built-in footrest. Locking casters allow desks to stay in place when in use and easily be moved around the room as needed. Enhance collaboration in your classroom with the Smart Study whiteboard desk.